Hi, I'm Razelle with FarmerBrown Insurance. Today, I'll walk you through the roof insurance claim process, step by step, so you'll know exactly what to do if your roof gets damaged. When storms, fire, or accidents hit, filing a claim quickly is key. Here's how it works. Step 1. Inspect and document. Check your roof as soon as it's safe. Take photos and videos of missing shingles, leaks, dents, or debris. The more proof, the smoother your claim. Step 2. Contact your insurance company. Report the damage right away and share your documentation. Step 3. Make temporary repairs. Cover exposed areas with a tarp or make small fixes to prevent further damage. Save your receipts, you may get reimbursed. Step 4. Insurance adjuster inspection. An adjuster will inspect your roof. Walk with them to ensure nothing is missed. Step 5. Claims review and settlement. Your insurer reviews the adjuster's report and issues payment, minus your deductible. And Step 6. Roof repair. Hire a licensed roofing contractor and keep all paperwork for your records. The process can take days or weeks depending on the damage, but having the right coverage makes it much easier. At FarmerBrown Insurance, we specialize in roofs and contractor insurance, so we make sure you're protected and supported through every step. To wrap it up, knowing the roof insurance claim process helps you save time, avoid stress, and get your roof repaired faster. Visit FarmerBrown.com or call us today for a free quote. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave any questions you have in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.